If you've ever pinned a post on X and now you want to take it down, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to unpin a post in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple clicks. This is useful if you want to update your profile, replace an older post, or keep your profile looking fresh and current. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open X and sign into your account. On the left-hand navigation bar, click on your profile. This will take you directly to your profile page where your pinned post is displayed at the top. Once you're on your profile, find the post you want to remove from the pinned section. In the top right corner of that post, click the three dots menu. A list of options will appear. From that menu, simply click Unpin from Profile. As soon as you do that, the post will no longer stay at the top of your profile. It will return to your regular timeline like any other post, and that's it. You've successfully unpinned a post on X. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.